Hello everybody, so I've had a request from a subscriber who wants to they want to know how to use Python to create many PDFs from many Word documents, and I've had to install something called Docx to PDF. So if you'd like to see how to convert many Docx files to PDFs, then keep watching. Okay, so as you just saw, from Docx to PDF, import, convert. Next, I'm going to import OS because I'm going to look in a directory for this path. And I'm going to get that from here. And then I need to, because it's Windows, I need to fix these. Just need to change the backslashes in the folder path. Okay, and let's just save it. So I'm saving it as docx to pdf._demo.py. As you can see, it's there. You see, I've been testing it already. Right, then we say for we're going to enumerate here. So we're going to say, if you're not familiar with enumerate, what it basically does is it gives each file in a directory, it allocates it a sequential number. For I files in enumerate path, so it's going to look for every file in that path, which is basically inside the docx to PDF directory, and then we want to say if files are iterable, we need to look at each file and look at the starting from the right hand end, working backwards, so we use minus. The last 5 characters we want to check if they equals, remember to do 2 equals dot docx. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters. If the last 5 characters equal docx, then we want to convert. And then we need to use f strings. If you're not familiar with f strings are a way of putting a variable inside of string of text. So just put f there, then your string of text, and we need to say something like each file will begin with testfile, and then curly braces, not square, and then you do that, and basically that is inside the curly braces is your variable, and you can carry on afterwards with more text. So that's your source, and then your destination is actually the same. Put a comma there. But instead of docx, you obviously want to output to a PDF. There we go. And then if we run this, I'm just going to put this back up here. And then when I run it, you should see, right, these 4 test files are all different. File 2, file 3, file 4, and just show you file 1. File 1 was just the basic template. So we've got 4 different source files, and if you're ready to see it run, let's go, shall we? 3, 2, 1, and we've got an error because I'm stupid, probably. What went wrong there then? Semicolon there. Colon here. Right, run it again. And it's doing something, it's making test file 1, test file 2, test file 3, test file 4, fantastic. So if we just go and have a look at those, and then I will leave you to get on with something useful or fun. There we go. And these are all PDFs, as you can see, Adobe Acrobat Reader. So what we've done, to summarize, is we've installed a Python module called Docx to PDF. We've written some code that looks inside a directory, and it loops through all of the Docx files it can find, and then it converts them, and it creates a PDF, and the PDF name is sequential based on what enumerate creates. So test file 1, 2, 3, 4. If you add 99 files, then this I would go up to 99, and you would have test file 1 all the way up to test file 99 as output PDF file. So thanks for watching, thumbs up and all that. If you've got any questions, then don't forget to give me a question on the comments and all that. Yeah, thanks for watching, bye.